Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here with yet another sharpening video. After work, something quick. A new knife in the house, very simple, very cheap Chinese knockoff of Benchmade Heckler & Koch 14205, Mike's newly design. Ganzo 440C, let's say 58 on the ROZSUTEC scale. Slightly used. There is edge, but nothing spectacular. Of course it can be used, but we can do better. The noises you hear is my crazy kitten. As usual, distressing the edge. The video will not be full length, there is no need for that. Just to give you, oh, by the way, this is Norton Indian medium made by 3 by half an inch with food safe mineral oil for cutting boards from IKEA, just to give you the audio feedback. Pretty obtrusive angle and plenty of material behind the edge, but is even on the both sides. It makes full contact with the surface of the stone. Let's inspect the scratch pattern. Yeah, pretty even grind, so the sharpening will be straightforward. Again, medium India, it cuts 440C at 58 ROZSUTEC scale with no problem. I'm not applying force, there is no need. The abrasive is somewhat fresh, it cuts. So, in my opinion, you can skip the course India if you have time and you enjoy sharpening. And now the kitten is doing its dirty work, shitting in the litter box. So after almost forming the edge, I will see you again with very fine and very hard stone for micro beveling. And after 6 to 8 minutes on the medium India, my apex is almost reached. And now it's time to do micro bevel. My finishing stone, European natural ROZSUTEC. The equivalent of 6 to 8,000 Japanese industry standard man-made stone. Couple of dozen of passes with only the weight of the knife, I think will be enough. So not entirely push cutting across the grain, but on slice is just fine. For two stones, to grid progression, I am satisfied with the results. I will annotate the grid rating of the medium India, probably something around 50 microns. The ROZSUTEC is hard and fine and did great job creating micro barrel. Good, cheap, Chinese knockoff, a very good, unfortunately discontinued Benchmade's model. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and of course in this troubling time, stay safe.